Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So we used to call them JanSan, janitorial supply distributors. There used to be more of them, it seems to me. And of course, that makes sense. It's gotten so competitive. Certainly more and more purchases bought either in big box stores or online. So there's not as many, but they're still around and they can really be valuable assets. These JanSan or cleaning supply houses in your local area, there still may be a few, and they can be a really valuable asset. So maybe you buy some supplies there, maybe some of your strippers and finishes, and maybe there are a few items you buy there or equipment because they can be really a good resource. Like I mentioned, they can come out sometimes and show you how to use a product or a certain chemical that you may not have ever tried before and you need a little bit of help with. Plus, the other thing is, you do wonder to yourself, there's lots of buildings that they may fill the supply closets. So when it comes to toilet paper, hand towels, hand soap, even cleaning chemicals for some buildings that handle cleaning themselves. So maybe in certain buildings they're doing in-house. Well, a lot of supplies are being filled, let's say, by some of these JanSan distributors. Well, as they go around and they hear from different building owners and property managers, who do they recommend for cleaning if they're asked, hey, Steve, who do you know around town is a contractor that's worth us calling? Somebody that you know about, someone that you would recommend that does good work. Well, if you're lucky enough to have a relationship with some of these JanSan distributors, one or more of them, and they know you and they know the work that you do, maybe you could be on the list of folks that are recommended, contractors for that building owner to call. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.